Let's be real, we all love a good shopping spree, but those credit card bills? Not so much. That's why I'm sharing my top tips for becoming a frugal fashionista. We're going to unlock the secrets to building a killer wardrobe on a budget, from thrifting like a pro to hunting down those insane clearance deals. So, if you're ready to look like $1 million without actually spending it, grab your notebooks, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright guys, before we hit the stores, we need a game plan. Just like with any financial goal, it all starts with a budget. First things first, take a hard look at your finances. How much can you realistically allocate to clothes each month without dipping into your savings or racking up credit card debt? Be honest with yourself and set a realistic limit. Once you have that magic number, consider using the envelope system. Create a separate clothing envelope and put your budgeted cash in there. This way you'll have a visual reminder of how much you have to spend, and it'll help you avoid overspending. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even just a notebook to keep track of every clothing purchase. By setting a budget and sticking to it, you'll be amazed at how much you can save without sacrificing your style. Alright, now for my favorite part, thrifting. Unleash your inner bargain hunter and score incredible pieces for a fraction of the retail price. Thrifting is about discovering unique, one-of-a-kind treasures that tell a story. Do your research. Look for highly rated thrift stores in affluent neighborhoods. Take your time and browse through everything carefully. Check for wear and tear, but be open to imperfections. They add character. Patience is key. Look for classic pieces in neutral colors that never go out of style. Think a crisp white button-down shirt, a timeless trench coat, or well-fitting jeans. Bonus tip, don't be afraid to negotiate. Most thrift stores are open to haggling. Okay, let's talk about sales and discounts. The music to every frugal fashionista's ears. With a little planning and insider knowledge, you can snag incredible deals on your favorite brands and items. First and foremost, sign up for email lists and follow your favorite brands on social media. This way, you'll be the first to know about upcoming sales, exclusive discounts, and flash promotions. Pay attention to seasonal sales. Retailers often offer deep discounts on clearance items at the end of each season. Mark your calendars for major sale events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But be prepared for the crowds. Look for online discount codes and cashback websites. Sites like Rakuten and Honey automatically search for and apply coupon codes at checkout, saving you time and money. Now, let's talk about building a sustainable and stylish wardrobe that will stand the test of time. It's time to shift our mindset from fast fashion to timeless pieces that you'll cherish for years to come. Instead of buying into every fleeting trend, focus on building a capsule wardrobe with versatile essentials that can be mixed and matched to create countless outfits. Think classic cuts, neutral colors, and durable fabrics that will withstand the test of time. When shopping for timeless pieces, pay attention to the quality of the materials and construction. Look for well-made items with sturdy seams, durable zippers, and high-quality fabrics that will hold their shape and color after multiple washes. A good tailor can hem pants, take in shirts, and make other adjustments to ensure a perfect fit, instantly making your clothes look more expensive and polished. Building a timeless wardrobe is an ongoing process. It's about curating a collection of pieces that you love, that fit you well, and that make you feel confident and stylish. Let's talk about maximizing your wardrobe's potential with mixing and matching. This is where your creativity comes into play. Transform a handful of pieces into countless stylish outfits. Get to know your wardrobe inside and out. Identify hidden gems or pieces you haven't worn in a while. Lay out your clothes to get a better visual overview. Start experimenting with different combinations. Pair unexpected pieces or layer different textures and patterns. A white t-shirt can be dressed up with a blazer and statement jewelry, or paired with jeans and sneakers for a casual look. Accessories are your secret weapon. A statement necklace, a colorful scarf, a stylish belt, or eye-catching earrings can elevate your look and add personality. And there you have it, my top tips for conquering the world of fashion on a budget. Remember, being a frugal fashionista isn't about sacrificing style, it's about making smart and conscious choices that align with your financial goals. So go ahead, embrace your inner bargain hunter, unleash your creativity, and build a wardrobe that reflects your unique personality and style, all without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Happy shopping!